how to fix GTA 5 crash after installing mods easy and quick. Hello guys, it's easy. All you need to do, just right click on GTA 5, go to properties, and now go to compatibility, and here go to change settings for all users, and then enable those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator, and click OK and OK again. And after that go to settings, and then go to gaming, turn off Xbox game bar, and go to game mode, turn it on, go to graphics settings, turn it on, and then restart your PC, and you'll find that your problem is fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just come back here and disable this option, and then go back, go to privacy, scroll down, and click background apps and turn off all the background apps, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.